So to save money on my AI API bills, I decided to run a few open source models locally on my Mac Mini, and I completely crashed my Mac Mini. In the last episode, we successfully built an entire workforce of AI subagents. The problem is that running 4 different agents simultaneously on premium Claude API can get expensive very fast. So I needed a way to cut the cost, and the logical solution was to run simpler subagents entirely locally using my own hardware for free. I installed a tool called Ollama, which lets you download and run open source large language models right on your desktop. At first, it was pretty cool. I loaded up a few lightweight models to handle basic data formatting. They ran smoothly and my Claude API bill wasn't taking a hit. I felt like a pretty cool tech genius. Then I got greedy. I was browsing a directory of open source models by Ollama and saw a massive hyper-intelligent model, so I thought, hey, why not try it out? I didn't bother checking the hardware requirements. I just typed the install command and hit enter. Here is the hardware reality check. LLMs require massive amounts of RAM to hold their parameters in memory and do their thing. I casually tried to load a model that required 256 gigs of RAM onto a Mac Mini which only had 24. The computer didn't just slow down, the screen froze, the internal fan revved up like an engine, and the entire system, kernel, everything panicked and shut down. Local LLMs are an amazing way to save costs, but your hardware is going to be the bottleneck. You can't really cheat physics just yet. If you want to run local AI, you have to rigorously match the model's parameter size to your available CPUs and unified memory and all that stuff. Anyways, after my Mac rebooted, I decided to stick to the cloud for the heavy lifting agents. Next time we bring the AI out of the terminal, I'll show you how we integrated Slack and WhatsApp so I can literally text my server like a coworker. Hit subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.